Man, what's up, Pyros? Y'all know what it is, man. Another stash update. I had to grab some real good goodies. Had to stop by, man. When I walked in the store, that was the first thing I seen. I said, hey, I gotta have that. I've been on that for like a year and a half right now. Had to grab me another pack of those. I still haven't done the first one yet, but another video coming soon where I do all my rockets that I got. Got these 007s, Rambos, whatever you want to call them. Got the undead cans. I had to get them. Green Lanterns. Man, DC Universe. What's up, crazy rich Asian? Got the Virus Terminator. Now this one's not mine. I had to pick it up for a Pyro buddy, but I had to put it in the video, but you know what he is. Let's get it, man. Coming with these goodies. Let's go. Stay tuned, man.